Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to level 20D, Mad Lāzim. As always, this is a good time to go back and revise all of the rules that you have covered so far and check where we are in our rule card or in our map. We are on the fourth rule in the purple and final section, Mad Lāzim. So far we had Mad Muttasil and Munfasil, which were both caused by Hamza. Then we had Mad Arid, which was caused by a temporary stopping sukoon, meaning a sukoon which you are reading because you are stopping on the last letter. And now we had Mad Lāzim. And let's read what that's about. The rule is if a stretched letter appears before a sukoon or shadda, I will stretch it 6 harakas. That means a proper sukoon or shadda, meaning a sukoon which is always there and it's not just there because you are stopping, or before a shadda. Now this rule is, compared to the other ones, less common, so you're going to have to try a little bit harder to try to remember it. And as always, make sure you say the whole spot the rule expression every time you spot a rule, and with every example. This will help you, inshallah, remember the rule for a long time or even for the rest of your life, inshallah. So as you can see here, we have a, which is a stretched letter, and it is followed by a lam sakina. So therefore we will do Mad Lāzim here. And as you can see, Mad Lāzim is longer than the other mads, and it is 6 harakas. And again, as I've mentioned before, you must learn the exact way of pronouncing this from a teacher, from your teacher. Then we have here Alif Lam Mim. So in Alif Lam Mim, I hope you remember you studied this in the Qaida. It's the special words that appear in the beginning of certain surahs. So Lam, there's a shadda there. Although it's not written here, in some Qurans you will see the shadda written. But Lam Mim, it has a shadda on it. Therefore the Lam will have Mad Lāzim. And likewise the Mim, because at the end of Mim, if you listen, there's a Mim Sakina. And so on and so forth. As usual, I will read a few for you so you can listen, and then we will read some together, inshallah. Okay, so let's take this one. Number 2. Stretch letter before shadda, Mad Lāzim, 6 harakas. And then finally, because we're stopping here, ba from Qutbu Jad qalqala. Okay, let me read. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wad-dawab. Let's do the next one. Sad from Khussa Daghatin Qidh, full mouth. Stretch letter before shadda, Mad Lāzim, 6 harakas. Sad from Khussa Daghatin Qidh, full mouth. وَالصَّافَّاتِ صَفًّا. And let's do the last one on this line. Noon sakina before ha from Hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. Idhar, no gunna. Stretch letter before shadda, Mad Lāzim, 6 harakas. فَمَنْ حَاجَّكَ. Okay, now let's do some together. Let's take number 13, pause the video and see how many rules you can find in there. So I can see at least 1, 2 rules, 3 rules in there. Repeat after me. Stretch letter before shadda, Mad Lāzim, 6 harakas. Lam of Allah after kasra, empty mouth. And then stretch letter before stopping sukoon, Mad Arid, 4 harakas. And how is that? Because fil la, this, although the mini alif is not written there, The word Allah always has a stretched letter on the lam, and then this is a stopping sukoon. Okay, repeat after me. وَالَّذِينَ يُحَاجُّونَ فِي اللَّهِ. Okay, well done. Let's take number 17. So pause the video and see how many rules you can find in there. Okay, so I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at least 6 rules in there. If you didn't find them, pause and look again, and then repeat after me. Stretch letter before hamza in the same word, mad muttasil, 4 harakas. Ta from khussa daghatin qidh, full mouth. Stretch letter before shadda, mad lazim, 6 harakas. Ba from qutbu jad qalqala. Aha, you may have noticed I missed this one. Mi mushaddada gunna. And finally, ra with fatha, full mouth. Okay, repeat after me. فَإِذَا جَاءَتِ الطَّامَّةُ الْكُبْرَى. Okay, well done. As usual, we have a second and third page full of examples for you to practice. Inshallah, I will see you in the final level.